if water goes to your watch and you don't remove it immediately, then it can damage your watch. As you can see, I got water inside this watch, and if you would just leave it as it is, it's not gonna come out. To get the water out, you will need to open the back of the watch. For that, you will need a very tiny screwdriver, such as size 1. If you look carefully at the back of your watch, you should be able to spot a very tiny groove, and your screwdriver should be small enough that it will go in between this groove. And once it's in, then all you got to do is to turn the screwdriver, and it would act as a lever, and it will pull up the case. And once it's out, you could use your finger to remove the case. You might see a plastic frame protecting the mechanism, so you could also take that out to further help with the water to escape. And now if you have got a radiator, then simply lay it down on its face like this and make sure the radiator is on but not too hot. And after some time, all the water inside the watch would evaporate out. You could also put a cloth on the radiator and then put the watch on the cloth to reduce the direct exposure to high heat. Now, as you can see, all the water has come out from the watch. Now carefully align the plastic frame in a way that the groove of the frame aligns with the rod that's connected to the crown. Make sure it is securely fitted and it is completely inside. Now it's time to put in the back case. Very important. Back case can go only in one position. You should find a slot on the back case near to the bottom of the back case, and this is where you would need to put on the rod that's connected to the crown. This slot basically gives space for the rod. So if you would put the back case in any other position, it could damage the rod and hence your watch. So now you can completely push in the back case. You might hear a click sound. That means you have now successfully fitted the back case. And lastly, you could see the groove that we use for opening the back case in a different position to where the groove that was used for the rod was. Just a reminder, don't confuse the two grooves. One is for opening the case and the other is for placing it on the rod that's connected to the crown.
I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to support my channel. You can find my other videos in here, and if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below.